Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll talk about something very important. We're going to talk about shaping the future generations of tech enthusiasts and engineers. We're going to talk about teaching children to 3D print stuff. I have recently discovered a piece of software called ThinkerCAD by Autodesk. And besides other possibly useful features that I have not yet explored, so I would have no idea about, it has a feature where you can scribble a drawing on a sketch and it will generate an extruded shape which you can then export as an STL. This is very useful for kids to play with if you have a 3D printer at home, because you can quickly help them to make their creations come to life. All you need to do is to start the web app. You don't even need to download anything. Create a free account and start creating. Once you get a blank canvas, you can insert different shapes, but the one I use a lot is called Scribble, where it allows you to enter this paint-like mode where you draw stuff on the screen, and you get a little preview of what the 3D model would look like. It's really simple and intuitive. You have a back and forward button to undo and redo stuff, the pencil and eraser, which are like defaults, and a bit more complicated buttons where you draw filled in shapes. This is my 7-year-old drawing stuff, by the way, and if you can't tell, this is still supposed to be a candle, a dog, and some kind of a padlock or something. After you're done, you click the done button and you export it as an STL. It's pretty easy to teach them to export into Cura or your slicer of choice. This can have default settings, so no changes are required. They just need to click slice. In this example, I adjusted the height a little bit to make it print faster. If you have a printer with automatic bed leveling, it's easy for a kid to just learn how to use it. My youngest, who is 4, can operate an inkjet printer, and a 3D printer wouldn't be that much more difficult. Unfortunately, I have an Ender 3, which is kind of hard to set up, so I had to do it for them. So, that's just it. It's that simple. Young children are fully capable of understanding complex issues if you explain it properly to them, and if they are passionate about something, there is really no age limit for them to start getting into their area of choice, under proper adult supervision, of course. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.